Truffles are a culinary mystery, shrouded in an aura of exclusivity and intrigue. They are fungi, but unlike mushrooms that fruit above ground, truffles grow underground, hidden from plain sight. These knobby subterranean delicacies are prized by chefs worldwide for their unique and intense flavors. Their aroma and flavor are intoxicating, often described as earthy, musky, and slightly garlicky, making them a sought-after ingredient in gourmet cuisine. Truffles are rare and difficult to find, adding to their allure and high price tag. The process of hunting for truffles is an art in itself, often involving specially trained dogs or pigs. Truffles belong to the genus Tuber, a group of fungi that has fascinated humans for centuries. They are part of the Ascomycota division, a large group that includes morels and cup fungi, showcasing the diversity of this fungal family. The most prized varieties are the black truffle, Tuber melanosporum, and the white truffle, Tuber magnatum. Each with its own distinct characteristics and flavor profiles. These species are native to Europe, particularly France and Italy, but truffles are found in other parts of the world, including North America and Australia, where they are cultivated with great care. The life cycle of a truffle is fascinating and complex, involving a series of stages that are still not fully understood by scientists. They rely on a symbiotic relationship with certain trees for survival, forming a bond that is crucial for their growth. This partnership, known as mycorrhiza, is essential for both the truffle and its host tree, allowing them to exchange nutrients and thrive. Understanding this relationship is key to comprehending the world of these elusive fungi. Researchers continue to study truffles to unlock the secrets of their growth and to find ways to cultivate them more effectively, ensuring that these culinary treasures remain available for future generations to enjoy. Truffles cannot survive without their host trees. These underground fungi are deeply dependent on the trees they associate with, forming a bond that is crucial for their existence. This symbiotic relationship is mutually beneficial, meaning both the truffle and the tree gain significant advantages from this partnership. The truffle attaches to the roots of its host tree, forming a mycorrhizal network. This network is a complex and intricate system that allows for the exchange of nutrients and water. The truffle's mycelium, a network of fine, thread-like structures, extends into the soil, increasing the tree's access to water and nutrients. This extension is vital for the tree, especially in environments where resources are limited. The mycelium acts like an extension of the tree's root system, effectively broadening the tree's reach into the soil. This allows the tree to tap into water and nutrients that would otherwise be out of reach. It can access nutrients and water from a much larger area than the tree's roots alone. This expanded reach is particularly beneficial in nutrient-poor soils, where the tree might struggle to find the essentials it needs to thrive. This is especially important in poor soils where essential nutrients may be scarce. In such challenging conditions, the truffle's mycelium becomes a lifeline for the tree, ensuring it gets the sustenance it needs. In return for this service, the tree provides the truffle with sugars produced through photosynthesis. These sugars are a crucial energy source for the truffle, enabling it to grow and reproduce. These sugars are essential for the truffle's growth and development. Without the tree's contribution, the truffle would not be able to sustain itself or produce the prized fruiting bodies that are so highly sought after. Different truffle species prefer different host trees. This preference is not random, but rather a result of evolutionary adaptations that have optimized the symbiotic relationship for each species. Black truffles, for example, often grow in association with oak, hazelnut, and beech trees. These trees provide the specific conditions and nutrients that black truffles need to flourish. White truffles, on the other hand, favor poplar, willow, and linden trees. Each tree species offers a unique environment that supports the growth of different truffle varieties. This specificity makes finding truffles even more challenging. Truffle hunters must have an intimate knowledge of the forest and the types of trees that host the truffles they seek. The mycorrhizal relationship between truffles and their host trees is a testament to the interconnectedness of nature. It highlights how different organisms rely on each other for survival and prosperity. It is a delicate balance that has evolved over millions of years and is essential for the survival of both organisms. This ancient partnership underscores the complexity and beauty of natural ecosystems, where every element plays a crucial role in maintaining the whole. Truffles are notoriously picky about their growing conditions. Soil composition plays a crucial role in their development. They prefer well-drained, alkaline soils with a pH between 7.5 and 8.5. These soils are typically rich in calcium and limestone. The ideal truffle habitat has a loose, crumbly soil structure. This allows for good aeration, which is essential for the growth of both the truffle and the roots of its host tree. The soil should also be able to retain moisture without becoming waterlogged. Organic matter is another critical component of truffle-friendly soil. Decomposed leaves, twigs, and other plant material provide nutrients for the truffle and its host tree. They also help improve soil structure and water retention. The soil must also be free of competing fungi and other organisms that could hinder the growth of the truffle. This is one reason why truffles are often found in undisturbed areas, such as forests and woodlands. Truffles reproduce through spores, microscopic cells that act like seeds. These spores are the key to the truffle's life cycle, ensuring the continuation of their species. These spores are contained within the truffle's fruiting body, the part that is harvested and prized as a delicacy. The fruiting body is a marvel of nature, a subterranean treasure that has captivated humans for centuries. When the truffle matures, it releases its spores into the surrounding environment. This process is a slow and intricate dance with nature, as the truffle waits for the perfect moment to disperse its spores. Unlike mushrooms, which release their spores into the air, truffle spores are dispersed through a different mechanism. This unique method of spore dispersal sets truffles apart from their fungal relatives. Since they grow underground, truffles rely on animals to spread their spores. This symbiotic relationship between truffles and animals is a fascinating example of nature's interconnectedness. Animals such as wild pigs, rodents, and even insects are attracted to the truffle's potent aroma. This scent is a powerful lure, drawing animals from far and wide to the truffle's hidden location. When these animals consume the truffle, the spores pass through their digestive system unharmed. This remarkable adaptation ensures that the spores remain viable even after being eaten. The spores are then deposited back into the environment through the animal's droppings. This natural process of spore dispersal is both efficient and effective, allowing truffles to colonize new areas. This method of spore dispersal ensures that the spores are deposited in new locations, potentially leading to the colonization of new areas. The cycle of life continues as new truffles begin to grow in these freshly seeded spots. For a truffle spore to germinate, it needs to land in a suitable environment. This environment must provide the right conditions for the spore to thrive and develop into a mature truffle. This includes contact with the roots of a compatible host tree, as well as the appropriate soil conditions. The relationship between truffles and their host trees is crucial, as the trees provide essential nutrients and support for the truffles. Only a small fraction of spores will ever encounter these ideal conditions, highlighting the challenges faced by truffles in their reproductive cycle. Despite these challenges, the resilience and adaptability of truffles ensure their continued existence in the wild. The journey of a truffle spore, from its release to its potential growth into a mature truffle, is a testament to the wonders of nature. Each step in this process is a delicate balance of chance and opportunity, showcasing the intricate beauty of the natural world. As we continue to explore and understand the life cycle of truffles, we gain a deeper appreciation for these remarkable fungi. Their story is one of survival, adaptation, and the interconnectedness of all living things. From the depths of the forest floor to the tables of gourmet restaurants, truffles represent a journey of transformation and new beginnings. Their life cycle is a reminder of the endless possibilities that nature holds.